Creality K2 Plus Combo Revue, the multicolor 3D printer that ends painting forever. You've just spent 18 hours printing a large prototype in gray filament, and now you're staring at it knowing you'll spend another 6 hours hand-painting the tiny colored details that make it presentation ready. Your client meeting is tomorrow morning. A designer I know missed a critical product pitch deadline because the multi-part assembly didn't align properly after painting. Exhausting, honestly. Ever feel like you're working twice as hard just to finish one print?
Here's the silent cost nobody talks about. Every multicolor project means printing separate parts, painting for hours, or accepting a monochrome compromise that doesn't impress clients. You're losing evenings to tedious painting work, losing credibility with mediocre-looking prototypes, losing opportunities because turnaround takes too long. The mental drain is suffocating. An engineer spent 2 full days assembling and painting a functional model, only to realize the colors bled between sections. What if the printer just handled all the colors automatically from the start?
This is where the Creality K2 Plus Combo 3D printer enters, and everything shifts immediately. Don't just pick any large format printer. Make sure it has an integrated multicolor CFS system and AI failure detection so you never experience wasted overnight prints or endless manual painting again. The breakthrough is elegantly simple. A massive 350 by 350 by 350 millimeter build volume paired with the new CFS filament system that automatically switches between up to 4 colors mid-print. No manual intervention, no painting afterward, no assembly of multi-part color sections. Print full-size multicolored prototypes, cosplay armor with pre-colored details, presentation models with logos and text already in the right colors, all in one seamless print job. Blazing 600 millimeters per second speed means even complex multicolor prints finish in hours, not days. The dual AI cameras monitor every layer intelligently, catching failures before they waste filament and time. A product designer printed a 3-color electronics housing overnight, woke up to a finished, client-ready prototype with 0 post-processing required. The full auto-leveling handles the huge bed perfectly every single time. Professionals are replacing entire multi-printer workflows with just this one integrated system.
Let me show you what daily life looks like after 3 solid months with this machine in real production use. You wake up to finished, multicolor prints that look like manufactured products, not raw 3D printed parts needing work. Your turnaround time drops from days to hours. Your prototypes impress clients immediately upon presentation, and your creative possibilities expand dramatically beyond what single-color printing ever allowed. A cosplay influencer said, "I printed a full chest plate with 3 color details in one session. I genuinely cried seeing it come off the bed already looking finished and professional." A small business owner reported cutting prototype turnaround time by 60% using the CFS multicolor system combined with high-speed printing capabilities. Independent laboratory testing confirmed dimensional accuracy within plus or minus 0.1 millimeters, even at 300 millimeters per second. That's precision that holds up in serious professional applications and engineering work. Which benefit matters most for your specific work? Drop a comment. I genuinely want to know what resonates with your projects. Here's the unspoken truth about smaller or single-color printers. They force you to constantly compromise on size, speed, or color. The K2 Plus Combo removes those limitations entirely. A print farm operator mentioned the AI cameras caught 11 genuine failures over 3 months, saving me 80+ hours of wasted print time and materials. I noticed after just 2 weeks, I stopped checking prints obsessively at night because the AI monitoring and robust system just handled everything reliably, quietly, every single time without intervention.
You already know exactly what this means. Complete freedom from painting, assembly, and slow turnaround with the Creality K2 Plus Combo 3D printer. The integrated CFS system, massive build volume, and AI monitoring are available now, and creators across design, engineering, and maker communities are already seeing faster workflows and more impressive finished results. Link in the description. You've spent enough time painting prints that should have come out colored from the start. No more compromises. This is the complete system that handles size, speed, color, and reliability all in one integrated package. Your next breakthrough project is waiting.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.